Now, it doesn't matter where you live, you're going to find you have days that look like this with the raining coming down, and many gardeners will say this is actually a great time to garden, and I couldn't agree more. It's kind of hard to see right now, but if you look straight ahead at the main part of my garden, this is the sunniest spot. It gets sun there all day long, and as you can see, the daylilies, the shrubs, all the flowers and all their bountiful colors love the sun. But if you don't have sun all the time, and you have shade, there are plants that actually thrive in the shade. Over here you will find through this walk-through arbor that there are many nice-looking hostas. Over here, for example, along with some little hostas in between, and this makes for a very colorful and very attractive corner. And everybody has these kind of corners, but many plants will just be very, very successful in the shade as well as the sun. So you have to decide what works the best for you.